Albufeira, but right now we're going to Lisbon.
12 o'clock. We're really tired. Now we're just waiting for a taxi to get us to an Airbnb.
Yep.
We were delayed 4 hours.
But we made it. Just come in. This is the living room slash sofa bed, which someone will be sleeping on. Lena's I'm hungry. Here's the kitchen. And there she is. And here is the other bedroom. And now we are waiting for Gabby. She'll be getting here soon.
Gabby decided to hitch a ride with a stranger, an older man. So hopefully she didn't get snatched. She has no Wi-Fi, or no data, no charger. Gabby is a rebel.
She is. Having some cappuccino. Gabby has finally arrived. We are all very stressed, very worried. But you know what? She's here. Take a look at the camera.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm sorry to have caused alarm.
She's alive. And well. Hey. Hey. Portugals. Hey. We're going to the castle.
I'm vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
We're going to the castle.
We're going to the castle.
Vlogception.
She's safe.
I'm safe in one piece.
We are ready to call the cops, but luckily she showed up in the nick of time.
You know, it's just who I am. Just the kind of person I was born to be.
Our first stop in Lisbon was Castelo São Jorge. It's a castle established in 200 BC by the Romans. There have been many different eras, sieges, and uses for the castle through the years, and at one point it was used as an arsenal and a prison. It was restored in the 40s, so it's not 100% accurate to what it used to be. It's also on a hill, so it has fantastic views of the Atlantic and the city. If you're 25 and under, it's €750. If you're 26 and older, it's €15, and you only really need about an hour to explore.
Welcome to the Gabby Cam.
Up next is the Tile Museum. Lisbon is known for the beautiful tile work around the city, and this museum walks you through the history of tile through the years dating back to the 15th century. It costs €5 for adults to enter. Uber was very cheap in Lisbon, and rides averaged about €6 per trip for close destinations.
We are cooking some dinner. There's Alina.
Hello.
Cooking.
Pouring rain. We're waiting for an Uber. I am so.
Where's the ride?
Yep.
It's gonna work.
Oh my god. What?
Are we going?
I got. Oh my god. Hi. Okay. We made it to Sintra. All in one piece. Julie's buying tickets. Pena Palace is located in Sintra, which is a 30-minute car ride from Lisbon. Tickets for the palace and park are €14 each. It used to be a monastery, it survived damage from an earthquake, and was eventually acquired by King Ferdinand II. He then built it to be the bright estate that Pena Palace is today. We just purchased some pastel de natas, and we're excited to try them. We just finished dinner, and we had some healthy food for once.
Yeah.
Oh, Julie's already eating it. How is it?
It's hard.
How is it?
Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah, good.
Where are we going, gang?
We're going to the market.
Going to the market.
We're going shopping.
Hey.
Moving out now. Going on to our next Airbnb in Albufeira. And we got some nice sunny weather to end our Lisbon days.
We have left our Airbnb. Now we are going to get some food and get an Uber to the train station to Albufeira. Go.
Yeah, we should try. We should try to go out. Try to go out.
What are we doing?
We are drinking spritzes and a cocktail.
Julie got a fancy drink. And I got Gabby's drink.
We're in Albufeira.
We just had breakfast at Buddy's. It was subpar.
It wasn't that good.
We all got drinks. I got orange juice and they wanted wine. We did the cheapest boat tour we could find at 29 euros each to see the Algarve coast. The tour we went on had about 50 people, and I think it would be much more enjoyable if you go with a smaller group. Nice cheese board time. We excited? Yay! Yeah. We're getting ready to leave our Airbnb. This is the living room. Gabby and Julia are packing. Then we've got the nice little kitchen that we barely use this time. This was the master bedroom that Gabby stayed in. And then me and Julia stayed on the twin beds that were hard as rocks. Julia left on an earlier flight to get back for work, so me and Gabby went to the beach. We just had an ice cream. Now we're getting ready to go back on the plane. Yeah. Going for a walk first. We're about ready to fly back to London. Gabby's crying because she's sad.
Alina's hyper because she just had a latte.
I did.
And now she's gonna be bouncing off the walls.
The caffeine does something to me. We made it back to London.
We're back in London.